Hi, do. So this is the infotainment screen. When you turn your car on, let's say, let me just turn that on. I'm doing this video on a CRV, but the interiors and the infotainment are very similar except for a few different aspects. So when you turn the car on to go to radio, you will notice in this bar over here, you should be able to find FM. It looks like that, okay? So if you click on FM, you should have three preset radio stations come up. Right now it's at 87.9, as you can see over here and here. So if I want to seek, I would press the seek button and it will basically change channels. You can also use this to seek, as you can see right now. There you go. So let's say 90.9 is the radio channel that I like and I want to have a shortcut to this. So if I wanted 90.9 as a shortcut, I would basically press and hold this. And there you go. See how 90.9 came over here? So next time when I turn on my radio, I can just click on 90.9 and just switch directly onto it. So for example, if I use this button again to get onto a new channel, let's say this channel, okay? Let's say I like this channel. So it's 90.2, as you can see. These are the 4 channels that I have preset. I want to replace this and put this here. I would basically hold this and there it is. It becomes 92.1. Same as here, goes over there. Pretty fair and simple. Now if we move on to the heating system, the heating system is fairly simple. This is your temperature gauge. If you press sync, both sides will have the same temperature, okay? For example, if I use this, you'll notice this one's got 18.5, this one's got 16.5. But if I press sync, now they're both 16.5. If I want it to be a heater instead, I would just turn it up all the way to high. Turn it up all the way to high. My AC is on, so I'll just turn AC off for now. But that's basically what you would do. This is the fan speed. I can turn up the fan speed. And then, yeah, basically I am blasting heat now to my face. So that's how you would basically do it. So this is the temperature gauge. You take it to set it all the way to high, and you should have your heating turned on, okay? Just in case you do, I thought I'd show you the vehicle turning off procedure. Anytime the car is off, you press and hold on the brakes first, and then you click on just once. You press the button once. It should turn right on. You don't have to hold the button or anything. You just press once and it turns on. Okay? You see how I did that? Foot on the brake, press the button once, and it's on.